Choosing Sony is a great choice because of its excellent autofocus, strong video features, and beginner-friendly controls. Here are the top 5 best Sony cameras for beginners. All buying links are given in description and tagged below. Number 5. Sony RX100 Mark VII. The Sony RX100 is the best travel cameras for beginners because it combines portability, versatility, and professional performance in a compact body. Its pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry anywhere, which is perfect for travel and everyday shooting. One of its biggest strengths is the 24-200 zoom lens, allowing beginners to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects without changing lenses. This flexibility is ideal for travel photography. The camera also features super-fast autofocus with real-time tracking and IAF, making it extremely easy for beginners to get sharp photos and videos. Even fast-moving subjects are captured accurately. Additionally, it offers 4K video recording, image stabilization, and a flip screen, making it great for vlogging and travel content creation, making it a perfect all-in-one travel companion for beginners. Number 4. Sony a6400 is best hybrid cameras for beginners because it delivers excellent performance in both photography and video without being complicated to use. It features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor that produces sharp, detailed images, making it great for everything from portraits to landscapes. What truly sets it apart is its ultra-fast autofocus with real-time tracking and IAF, helping beginners capture perfectly focused shots effortlessly, even with moving subjects. For video creators, offers 4K recording with full pixel readout, delivering high-quality cinematic footage. It also includes a flip-up screen, making it ideal for vlogging and content creation. Additionally, its interchangeable lens system allows beginners to grow and upgrade over time, making it a future-proof investment. Overall, it strikes the perfect balance between ease of use, powerful features, and versatility, making it the best hybrid Sony camera for beginners. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10 is best video cameras for beginners because it is specifically designed for content creators, vloggers, and YouTubers. It offers high-quality 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit recording, giving beginners professional-looking footage with better colors and flexibility in editing. One of its biggest advantages is the advanced autofocus system, which keeps your face sharp at all times, perfect for talking head videos and vlogging. The flip-out screen also makes framing yourself very easy, even if you're shooting solo. The camera includes a built-in 3-capsule microphone with noise reduction, delivering clear audio without needing expensive external gear. Additionally, its lightweight design and interchangeable lenses allow beginners to grow and upgrade their setup over time. Overall, the ZV-E10 Mark II combines ease of use, powerful video features, and creator-focused design, making it the perfect Sony video camera for beginners. Number 2. Sony a7C Mark II. The Sony a7C M2 is the best full-frame camera for beginners because it combines professional image quality with a compact, easy-to-use design. Unlike bulky full-frame cameras, it's lightweight and portable, making it less intimidating for new users. It features a 33 megapixels full-frame sensor, delivering stunning detail, better low-light performance, and cinematic background blur, perfect for beginners who want professional-looking results. One of its biggest advantages is the AI-powered autofocus, which can automatically detect and track subjects like people, animals, and birds. This makes it incredibly easy for beginners to get sharp photos without mastering complex settings. For video, it offers 4K 60 frames per second recording with advanced color profiles, making it ideal for YouTube and content creation. Additionally, its in-body image stabilization and vari-angle screen help beginners shoot smooth handheld footage and frame shots easily. Overall, the Sony A7C Mark II delivers full-frame power in a beginner-friendly body, making it the perfect upgrade for anyone starting serious photography or video. Number 1. Sony A6700. The Sony A6700 is the overall best Sony camera for beginners because it delivers top-tier performance, smart automation, and versatility in a compact body. It features a 26-megapixels APS-C sensor with the powerful Bions XR processor, producing sharp images and excellent low-light results. What makes it perfect for beginners is its AI-powered autofocus, which automatically detects and tracks subjects like people, animals, and birds, making it incredibly easy to get sharp shots without advanced skills. For video creators, offers 4K recording up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit color, delivering professional quality footage right out of the camera. It also includes in-body image stabilization and a lightweight design. Additionally, its E-mount lens ecosystem allows beginners to grow and upgrade over time, making it a future-proof investment. Overall, the Sony A6700 combines ease of use, powerful hybrid features, and long-term flexibility, making it the best all-in-one Sony camera for beginners. Subscribe and check out this lenses for your Sony cameras.